MissMix. So as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing the Roccabox unboxing. So let's get on with the video and be sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave subscribe, and let's see what's in this Roccabox. So as you can tell, it says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy a Roccabox. Be kind always. The only drama I enjoy is in my lashes. So they're there. And this is July's Roccabox. And inside it says the beauty box that is more than skin deep. Is there, guys? So let's put it to the side. And it's got a coupon here for 30% off Sensitive Your Spirit. Okay. And there's a £50 wine voucher from Virgin. And in this box we have a Mind Tan Everyday Glow Color Base, Violet Color Base Gradual Tan, Unscented Streak Free Gradual Tan for all skin types and tone. Here we go. And we have a Mud Masky Leave Me On a Summer Mask, SPF 15, Sun Protect, Feeding, Nourishing, Moisturising, Anti-Aging. And we have a little perfume in here. Banana Republic, Peony and Peppercorn. Instant Blur and No Makeup instantly blurs imperfections. I'm trying to find out where it is, guys. And I think it's just a moisturizer. And we also have in here exfoliate and scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. And coffee scrub. Anyways. And we have a beauty mask. Intense nourishment, a revitalizing syrup enriched with shea butter, aloe vera and antioxidant acid in an invigorated glove mask. It's a face mask for your hands, guys. So let's get on and see what the little leaflet says. From the founder and CEO. Hi Roccababes, summer is finally here, and whether it's the English sun or rain or Costa del bathroom, we have a little pink box of sunshine ready delights. We all know the sun can dry out our skin, so we have a mixture of oils, masks, nourish and replenish your skin. We also have a beautiful summer scent of refresh your fragrance wardrobe and give you that holiday feeling. And the hero product is this No Makeup Instant Blur. Heavy makeup isn't what you're after during the summer, and we have a perfect solution. This is a multitasking invisible primer and complexion perfector. So it's a primer, guys. It blurs and minimalizes the look of pores, redness, wrinkles and fine lines instantly and over time. You can use it alone or as a primer to create a smooth canvas and allow makeup to look better and last longer. Also it helps with combat any shiny faces throughout the day to balance excess oils. Yes, we know it's the perfect summer essential. £45 guys, and it's full size. That's good. And now we're on to the Violet Gradual Tan Foam. Mind Tan, Violet Gradual Tan Foam. Missing that feeling of spending the day on the beach, hoping to get the shower and check out your tan? Hopping in the shower and checking out your tan? Well, we're giving you something close enough. The tan of a mix of violet and dark bronzers with no orange tones or fake tan smell. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty free. Oh, and that's also full size, guys. Now we're on to Mind Tan. Oh, and the Violet Gradual Tan is £13. Mind Tan Coffee Scrub. Exfoliate is the key to smooth, supple skin. This Mind Tan Coffee Scrub is perfect for prepping your skin ready for the day at the beach or in your back garden. This gentle exfoliator buffs away dead skin cells, and it also full of enriching almond and amica oil to ensure your skin is hydrated, leaving you with a healthy glow. And that's £9.95. And now we're on to the hand masks. Eskimo Intense Nourishment Hand Mask. Our hands, manicured or not, need some TLC. Every now and then, the Eskimo Intense Nourishment Hand Mask is a vitalizing serum enriched with shea butter, aloe vera, amica oil, ica acid, sorry guys. It is suitable for all skin types, treats skin dryness, restores softness, refines skin texture and brightens and evens skin tone. And that's £10 guys. Now we're on to this Muddy Mask. Leave Me On Summer Mask. We can't stress this enough. SPF should be in our skincare regimen always. The Muddy Mask Summer Mask is more than just a sunscreen. It's a lightweight formula which is made to protect and nourish your face. It doesn't leave your skin feeling oily and protects from both UVA and UVB radiation. There's no nasty chemicals or synthetic sunblock rubbers, just ingredients like the summer flowers of Amica lava clay, and that's £35.30, and it's also full size. Everything in the box so far guys is all full size. Banana Republic Peony and Peppercorn. Karen NYC, 10 AM, Flirt, Neutro Nor or San Diego Sky. And the one we have is the Peony and Peppercorn. Looking for a new summer signature scent? We've popped one of these treats in your box, the Banana Republic peppercorn scent is spicy yet floral, ideal for an everyday aroma. The Karen New York City 10 a.m. flirt is unique yet fresh scent which is perfect for a flirty evening fragrance. The Niore is a decent sensual fragrance which is made for those very special evenings. The Sentimental Sky is more of a calm, earthy fragrance which perfect for chilling on a warm summer day. Right, so let's see here guys, can we find out what one we've got here? Does it say on the back bottle? Let's find out. Doesn't say on the bottle. And it doesn't say the back either, guys. So I think it's just a random guess what you get. So there you go, guys. That is everything in the Roccabox today. So I hope you enjoyed. If you'd like to see more Roccabox, like the August, if you would like to see the August Roccabox, please subscribe, hit the like button, and also comment below. And I would like to thank you for watching, and stay safe, stay home, stay healthy, because we can go out now, guys. Stay healthy, and take care. Treat each other like you'd like to be treated, and also Black Lives Matter. Every life matters, no matter the colour, no matter the religion, no matter who you are. Just be you and treat each other like you'd like to be treated yourself. So bye guys.